What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today is kind of a different type of video. We're going on a little ride along with Tez and his pink ZL1. And I never really been in a Camaro for real, so let's get out and take a look at her. In case you guys haven't seen Tez's car, here it is, the pink ZL1. Some slight mods, nothing too crazy. Full drag pack too. The D5 forged stars. Look mean. The downshifts sound crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They sound like gunshots.
You sitting on right on top of it.
Get some gas, and then we're gonna try to get some more pulls and make sure the car is running right and all that. So far, it definitely puts you back in your seat for, like, you know, the Mustangs only have this much torque, so it definitely feels crazy to me. Always test your guys' E, because it only takes one bad batch to mess up your whole car.
Blow that bitch in.
Exactly. And this is why you test your E. We just tested some E and it tested like right below E75. So the car will run, but you know, it's safer to at least get E80, E85 for sure, no doubt. All right, guys, we're not really having no luck on the E85. We went to the first gas station, tested low. The second gas station was completely out of it. So we have like 2 more gas stations we're gonna hit up and test, and we'll see you soon. Once again, we got some bad E. This E was cloudy, really cloudy, and it was green, which is pretty normal, but it being so cloudy was a big concern. Last gas station, we're gonna test the E, and hopefully, you know, it all works out. Finally found some good E85. About to fuel up the ZL1 and get on the road. Alright guys, just a little update. We're driving and then the check engine light came on and reduced engine power. Not sure what's going on. He's gonna send it over to his tuner, get it all straightened out.
The next day.
We had to buy some new quick release tabs for my bumper. I cheaped out the first time. I bought some bougie cheap ones off Amazon. They were like 15 bucks. These are from CJ Pony Parts. I think they ended up costing me like 60 bucks or 50 something. I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. You guys can check it out. Definitely don't cheap out. I'm about to install these real quick, show you guys what the word is, and yeah. So basically the problem I'm having is I gotta clear this out a little bit more to get the back side of the quick latch to fit nice and snug. I'm thinking just forget these. I'm gonna do it this way, or mainly just to try to keep the bumper nice and snug. But I'm gonna put some Loctite on these bolts, so it should be good on that part. But like so far I can tell like the quality is like 1,000 times better. Like I should have bought these right off the bat. I need to stop being cheap when it comes to this stuff. To throw on the other side real quick, you already know it's not going nowhere with the red thread lock. But yeah, there it is. They look pretty clean. We might have to paint them black or color match them to the wrap. But let me know what you guys think. We're getting ready for another track day Wednesday. a little testing too. I'm hoping to break like a 9.6, 9.7. Let's see if I can launch the car pretty good. Launch it a little bit harder than last week. I don't want to break anything yet. You know, last year we launched it pretty hard. We twisted the half shaft, blew a hub, and then we had to go back through and add the drive shaft shop 2,000 horsepower rated axles. And then we did a Ford Performance hub too. So considering switching out my rear gears and doing a high stall converter, because I'm still in stock gears, the stock 315s, which are kind of trash for digging. And then I'm on a stock converter too, so if I switch those out, I should, you know, see some crazy 60-foot times. And the best 60-foot right now that I've had in this car is a 1.414, which is pretty good for a stock stall. But yeah, also wanted to tell you guys that one exhaust shop that we went to out in Stockbridge gave us a little shirt. Pretty good shop. They're really, really nice out there. They'll take care of you. They also just did some work on my buddy's 6 Series. I'll show you guys real quick. Car is a little dirty, but he has some carbon fiber tips with the titanium. And then I think it's pretty much a straight pipe, but I mean, the welds are clean. He really hooked them up too, for real. But yeah, you'll see this car in action a little bit too. It's a little 6 Series V8 twin turbo. We want to throw a tune on it and possibly some E85 and then go out and break a lot of hearts with it. Thing is pretty clean. You know me, I'm not a really big foreign guy. I mean, I'm not really big on the Beamers, but this one's pretty clean. He has the wheels powder coated too. A guy locally powder coated them a couple of different colors actually. He still hasn't made up his mind which color he wants to go with and stick with, but shoot, we also might throw a wrap on it eventually too. I don't know, something crazy. But then this Saturday, you guys will have another video. We're going to a modern car shootout, I guess you want to say. We got to put our interior all back in. It has to be full stock interior. I think it's a $100 buy-in. I don't know how the car is going to do against the other cars. I really don't know what's out there. But we're going to, you know, it's all for fun. We're going to see what we can do out there with the big guys and all that. So stay posted for that video. Yeah, this week is going to be a lot of drag strip content, a lot of racing. I know we got a couple of roll racing call outs, couple more ZL1s want to race. Another red eye that I raced last year wants to do a rematch. So you guys will be seeing all of that content. But yeah, that's a little video, a little update. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay posted for all the upcoming videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe and all of that. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Look at the Pro Charger. Just totally ripped.